Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you a brief overview of how to use the clearedforwork.com website to get yourself a guest pass for one of the 9 colleges at the LA Community College District. I'm also going to show you how to upload some information including your medical card and your vaccination card. This isn't a political video, this is just informational. So I got an email telling me to visit this website to complete this COVID check-in process and determine if I'm cleared to enter. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to whichever specific link that they've given you in this email, and make sure that this email is from noreply@clearedforwork.com. I went to that website and here's what it looked like. This is actually the second screen. I had to fill out some personal information, address and name. I've skipped over that, and this is the next step. It's asking me to upload my insurance card, and the easiest way to do this is just take a picture on your phone of your, Kaiser, whichever health insurance you have, and then you're gonna probably have to get that on your computer. If you can email it to yourself, that's a way to do it. Or if you do this whole process on your smartphone, then you can just do it straight from your phone. I'm going to link in the description these instructions for how to email yourself a picture from your cell phone. And this WikiHow article shows you how to do it from an Android phone and also from an iPhone. So I'm not going to go through this in the video, but I will link this resource below in the description of this video. So I'm going to click on upload my insurance card, and then I have to find out where that file is located. I know it's in my download folders, so here it is. I just uploaded that today. I'm going to double click on it and it's going to upload to this website. Okay, I'll just confirm by clicking OK. And then we're going to do this symptom check. All right, saying I'm allowed to enter one of the 9 colleges. There's some more information. Now it's going to click on go to home screen. And now I have an access pass. And now I've just received an email from clearedforwork.com. And that email shows this green pass. You've been cleared for class. And this gives you a link that you can use to show your pass to whoever is at the building that needs to see it. And that's in the email here. So you would just copy and paste that into your browser. And that link takes you to this page where you can click on Show Access Pass. And here is your access pass. You can print this out or just show it to whoever needs it. There is a button here where you can enter your vaccination data if you have it. For me, I just clicked that, and similar to uploading a picture of my health insurance, I was able to send myself a picture of my vaccination card and upload it here. You also have the option to book an on-site COVID test, which may be necessary if you have a vaccination exemption. Thanks for watching.